Ikaw lang.
Eh, di kayo malumulubog eh.
Eh, waterproof, partner.
Hi guys, so right now, nandun kami sa parang lounge area nila or just resting area. Kasi kanina lumabas kami and super lakas ng ulan guys. As in talagang binabagyo na dito sa Boracay, nak. Talagang parang hinahagupit na ni Inday. Ng habagat pala, I mean. So yeah, naka-rest lang guys. And later, we're about to go to the mall to have lunch. Pero right now kasi, super busog namin girl. Kasi may breakfast buffet kami in last night. We just have fun our Friday night.
Okay.
Kaya ka, baka kung saan ako mapos.
Hi guys. So, hey, unang tigim, bunot ang muka. Oh, hi ka. Say hi. Mga naka-araw na kami, girl. Kaso, it's umuulan lang, guys.
Ano sarap lang ang chill day ngayon.
Dito. Here. Yan. Dito. Dito. Ayan sila. Baby. Nag-ML siya hanggang dyan sa Boracay. Kada minuto nag-ML. Here's my outfit, guys.
Ano tawag sa...
We're walking along the road. Punta kami sa Station X, which is View Hotel. Oh. Thank you. Shishi.
Matek ko sa ay. Japanese pala.
Chinese yun man. Chinese.
Chinese pala sila.
Walk-walk lang kami guys. Here. Station X. Kasi nandun yung mga bibilan namin ng pasalubong.
Ayaw naman maligo.
Maligo ka.
Ayaw mo na maligo sa dagat?
Ako gusto ko maligo sa dagat. So guys, walking na kami. We're here at Station 2.
Ito na yung milk tea.
Wait lang, doon pa yun.
Ano gusto mo kainin ngayon niya? Ramen? Masabaw?
Masabaw, masabaw. Oh, sir. Sir. Bye guys.
Pag-walking vlog ka. Ito po ang crowd ngayon. Ay, ipakita mo yung Boracay. Ah, meron pa rin kahit na ano.
Meron.
Maliit lang di. Ayun no. Yung I love Boracay.
Mahangin kasi yun. Hindi, may malak na.
Ay, yan nakakayang gawin ngayon.
So right now, dito na kami sa Taipei milk tea. Favorite namin na
Ay,
milk
sarado.
tea. Sarado pa siya. Maaga pa kasi.
Ano oras na ba?
12
Bakit
nga.
bukas?
Mami.
Kasi may hangin.
At tanong natin. Here's my favorite milk tea, guys. Taipei, I recommend this whenever you go to Boracay.
Ako po.
Super sarap ng biscuit cheesecake.
Magbubukas.
So guys, we're here at Hama Japanese cuisine. I'm gonna curry ramen. Page 2. Second to that.
Meron pala akong sarili.
Second to that. So may edamame. So matry.
Ano ba yan?
Yung green.
Hmm.
Yung green na parang green fish.
Eh, gulay. Okay. Putin na ako sa rap.
Sige. Ano kami? Tawag ka.
Yes.
Okay po.
Ano daw? Eh, sa tulong Shio ramen. Tsaka tantan ramen.
Will you add a little bit spicy? And it's short.
Pwede.
Add pareho itong may soy yung recipes ni Ate.
Pwede pong additional, may spicy powder po.
Bigyan mo
kayo.
na natin size.
Yan
Yun
lang.
na po. How about for drinks?
Watermelon.
You want that one shot?
With my date. Always be my date. Hi, baby.
Hello.
And look at our photo. Yo. Tatakimato.
Sige mga bawal. Ah,
Oven.
bawal yung mga bato.
Oo. Guys. Heading to the beach. Ayun, ganda. Solo. Solo ka. Lakas.
Ako nakapunta ng nakaligo.
Tayo. Ah, talaga to. Gusto mo?
Lakad mo tayo.
Ah, sige.
Lugod tayo.
Tara, paano lang?
Yeah.
So guys. So guys, we're now walking down the street. Come on,
Enjoy your moments every day and every night. There may not be a tomorrow, therefore enjoy today. In the present moment, neon rivers paint the rainy slick street below. Sirens hum a midnight melody. My heels click rhythm on the pavement's beat. Warm breeze carries jasmine through the summer heat. Every heartbeat syncs with city's pulse tonight. Unscripted moments flicker, pure unfiltered light. Let go of tomorrow's cloudy heavy weight. Taste the now, so vivid, bittersweet and bright. Enjoy your moments, let your spirit soar. Dance like no one's watching through the open door. Laughter bubbles, love's electric spark. No pause for shadows, leave the dark. We're alive right here, beneath the skyline's glow. Dive into the rhythm, let the current flow. Every second's treasure, fragile, fleeting, true. This heart beats now, just me and you. Streetlights blur to liquid gold as I spin. A stranger's smile, a gift I take within. Raindrops kiss my cheeks, unexpected dew. Yet warmth ignites where every droplet lands anew. No script, no map, just pure uncharted grace. I breathe the chaos, find my sacred space. Life's a flavor, savory, sweet and bold. both young and old. When the storm rolls in, don't hide away. Meet it dancing, turn the gray to day. Enjoy all moments, let your spirit soar. Dance like no one's watching through the open door. Laughter bubbles, love's electric spark. No pause for shadows, leave the dark. We're alive right here, beneath the skyline's glow. Dive into the rhythm, let the current flow. Every second's treasure, fragile, fleeting, true. This heart beats now, just me and you. Thunder cracks, but I stand tall on the grade. Steam rises warm through leather soled shoes. Tears mixed with city rain, yet no shame. Sorrow's just another note in life's sweet frame. I hug the ache, watch it transform to light. Then join the beat, burning ever.
Ayun, babe.
Tsaka hindi talaga ako nag-side.
Makakikita.
Eh, naanap yung side. Hindi ko makikita.
Let's wrap, guys.
Hello, isa kami sa Berkeley. Pero, ano na sila?
Uy, waiting, babe. Yes.
Kasing files.
Ano na ako sa'yo?
There's your wrap. Okay.
Ay, ano mo nasabi niya?
No comment. Kumain naman, hindi pag marami.
Gusto lang pala pwede yung sharing.
Kausaw ka kayo sa may mga ano dun eh. Ano ba ito, tennis? Parang mo lang. Parang mauhula ka sa
The day na uwi na kami. And guess what? Unang-una kami sa buffet breakfast. Yan siya. Yan sila. Yan. Kasi maaga yung flight namin, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Lost man na naman. Bye, guys.
Sa render ko. Tama. Tanong na. Wala pa.
So guys, I'm so stressed right now.
Marineford. Sorry nga lang.
So guys, kami lang tao. Alam kami lang kuya. Kuya kami lang ba?
Kami lang ba?
Guys, we're going home. Yung kami lang sa kayo.
Kami lang.
Bye guys. See you soon, Boracay.
Laki.
Sakto.
Guys, we're going home.
We're going home.
Ay, dito pala. Tama na. Sorry guys. Pala.
Baka pwede mag-picture tayo sa aeroplano niya sa baba.
And so right now, dito na kami sa bus, waiting to board to our plane. Mhm. Guys, we're here. The aeroplane, mommy. Ne. Uy. Yan na siya. Yan na naman siya. Masusuka na naman siya, guys.
Saan? Nakakahiya.